Hello friends, welcome back. Thanks for checking out the channel. Just wanted to give y'all a little update. I did not turn into a Cyclops, but I did get a very cool headlight, and I wanted to share that with y'all coming up. So I just picked up this headlight, and it is the Nitecore NU20. It is their classic version. I've got one that's a little bit different, but I really like this one for a few reasons. I thought I'd show that with you. Show that to you. Share it with you. Show it to you. There we go. And go over a couple things. The big thing is, the thing that really piqued my interest on it was, if you look right here, there are two buttons on the top. One for red. We got 3 settings for red. And we got the white side. 3 settings for white. Also has a battery indicator. It is USB-C rechargeable. The thing is super lightweight. It only weighs 1.3 ounces, so you can pretty much pack it away and forget about it. Great for making kits, great for bug out kits, great for just an everyday kit. That way you got a headlamp in case your car breaks down, need to walk in the dark, something like that happens. Super lightweight, just packs up super small, just disappears, right? But one of my favorite things right here, dedicated red light button. So, you know, it's not like a lot of the headlamps where you have to click through 15 different settings before you get to the mode that you want. I love this one because it's dedicated red. You're not going to accidentally ND your white light or something if you're trying to maintain your night vision. If you're just trying to be real low and discreet, this first setting is super low, and you know, you can turn it straight back off. Or you got the higher setting and also got a flash setting. So say your car broke down, you had to put this on, or even put on the back of your head, and you know, you didn't want to get hit by traffic or something, you have a flashing red light to give you a little bit of safety right there. One of the great things about that, it does have the adjustments. It's got the reflective bands on the sides, so you could obviously change those out just with some shock cord or something if you wanted to, if you didn't want the reflective on the side. I like the reflective though for my purposes. You do have an articulating hinge here, so you know, you can kind of point it to where you want. I know some people like wearing their headlamp around their neck, so easy enough to do that as well. Got a nice little adjustment here on the back, easy to adjust. And then like I said, it's also USB-C rechargeable right here on the end, and it's got a little 4-dot indicator, and they are, you know, 25% on each one. So if you got 2 of them, you got half your life left. Great little Nitecore. I'll put a affiliate link to the Jungle page in the description. 25 bucks, give or take $1 or $2, depending on when you catch it on sale. But so far, a couple weeks in with it, I've used it quite a bit, testing it, playing with it. I've been super happy with it. So thanks for checking out the Dish Talk channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, whatever you want to do. Tell me how I suck in the comments, whatever. But thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you next time.